Thank you for the time. I will deliver my presentation, the application of popular scientific book to improve student scientific literacy. Here's our team. My name is Rido Firmansyah as the corresponding author. The second author is Ismul Maulidin Al-Habib, and the third author is Dwirani Prihandini. The scientific literacy is basically the knowledge of key science concept in the daily life activities such as political, social, and economic issue. Then the survey conducted in the 2018 by PISA International Student Assessment show us that our student scientific literacy is relatively low when compared to the international average score. We rank 70 out of 77 country in the late of 2018. That condition with the flow of data and information in this digital era make it possible for everybody to get access to it much faster and easier to distribute. That two kind of the condition makes our student and our netizen basically is named as the most important netizen in Southeast Asia based on the 2020 Digital Civility Index conducted by the Microsoft. That makes our student or our people rank in the bottom of the rank in the Southeast Asia. That show us the reality that our netizen is first the information is easily distorted when it comes from the people forwarded to the another people, and then the second is our students tend to be toxic when it comes in commenting or writing in the social media. That makes our survey show that the Indonesian netizen is most impolite. Nah, that's why the scientific literacy is urgently needed for our student in both of the life skill and the lifestyle, because the ultimate objective is to produce the scientifically responsible citizen or netizen, both as scientists or as the common people, as good member of the society. How to improve the scientific literacy? We use the popular scientific book because it can help students by the delivery, the contextualization, and the science-based material. Because the popular scientific book will make a bridge that connected the finding of the researchers to reach a wider audience, so that ordinary people such as our student and other audience can get the benefit in their daily life based on the concept of the science. The subject is 40 grade 11 student in Bumi Selawat boarding school. This research is conducted for 3 weeks from April to May 2021. We use both qualitative method in such end gain using the pre-test and post-test, and then the qualitative method using the response questionnaire, both of the questionnaire about the use of the book and the questionnaire about the reflection. The implementation, I can describe it into the 3 phases. The first phase is determining the control and the experiment class using the pre-test post-test non-equivalent group design. And then phase 2, we integrating the use of popular scientific book as a supplement learning resource for 2 until 3 cycle of learning. And then the third, we're collecting the data and we analyze it with the SPSS, such as quantitative and qualitative description. Here's the result about the student response to the use of the popular scientific book. We can see here that the implementation of popular scientific book obtained positive response from the student with almost 87% with good and very good response in all aspects, including the display, the content and information, and then the accommodation of their learning style. Nah, this aspect of the popular scientific book, we accommodating student with different learning styles such as the visual and auditory using the media attached in the form of the link that they can easily access with their phone. And then for the kinetic student, we facilitate their interest with something like kolom coret-coret to reveal their mood or their feeling about the learning, and also the crossword that they can do it together with their friend. The aspect of the student science literacy, we can see here in the 4 aspect. First, the cognitive, the content and knowledge, it gained the 0.65 N gain, which is moderate. And then the affective, there are 3 points of affective. First, the importance of knowing the applied concept of science in a daily life, and then the interest in science-based learning, and then desire to increase the literacy related to the scientific concept and phenomena. They both got N gain from the medium to high category in all of the aspect. The N gain aspect so that the application of popular scientific book is able to introduce students to the dimension or the relationship between the applied concept science with their daily life, such as the extraction with the making tea in their daily activity. That such a connection makes the response of the student and their end gain so that the result is relatively good with the medium and high end gain. There's the conclusion. The use of the popular scientific book Aedes aegypti larva exterminans biolarvacidal potential of Srikaya fruit extract as a supplementary book on circulation system material gets very positive, 87% with very good and good response, and is able to increase student science literacy skill, both of the cognitive and affective or attitude. The content, competency, knowledge, and attitude indicated with the moderate and high and gain score. That's all that I can deliver. Thank you very much for the time. I will end my deliver. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.